Hello, this is Eden. Read along. Yeah, we will read this book called UnderWeggy Man, Attack of the Storm Cloud. Party champs are here. Once there was this cloud. He was always angry. He goes to this school. Everyone stays inside the school. Stop! No way, I am bad. Now I am invisible, so I can wash that off. Zap! This is the worst. This is the worst issue ever. We are here to save Astro Boy, P-Man, Sloth Boy. Poof! Pom Pom, he's gone. Roar! The cloud turned into a monster. Better run, this place is flooding. Hurry, come to my lab now. This is fish and chips. They found the Sucker 2000 and did what to do. You passed the limit. Welcome to Cougar Town, baby. That's just my phrase. Anyway, flip-o-rama. Very fun. I know. Keep flipping the next page. This video is gonna a little glitch, so we'll only do one time. And finally, he went on the magazine. I am famous. You mean us? I have big muscles. Yeah. Hooray! Bookboy.inc. Now we will end this. Bye-bye.